Good morning, everyone. It is Friday morning, July the 16th, and I really didn't plan to vlog part of this video, but I am so busy and I'm 6 days home from a 2-week vacation, so I'm still playing catch up. So I have stuff to do, so I thought I would throw in some of my daily activities before we do a Louis Vuitton unboxing. I'm so excited. Well, you guys, I have to admit right now, I have taken a peek, but it's something that I've been wanting for a while, and I told you guys that because of the constant price increases and because of the way Louis Vuitton seems to be trying to phase out a lot of the canvas, I plan on picking up a few pieces. So that'll be a bit later this afternoon. Right now, I need to have my morning coffee. Yes, I'm wearing a swimsuit in the morning because I usually, when I'm home, that's what I put on, because lots of times I think I'm gonna jump in the pool a minute, or I'll sit out by the pool, so, you know, while I'm doing things. But anyway, I wanted to show you guys this that I have started taking. It is collagen. It's a powder collagen, and it's from Native Path. So I did a lot of research, and this is what I have come up with. I think that this is gonna make a difference. You guys know that I have arthritis, and I don't know, 2 scoops of this. So 2 scoops of this a day, after everything I've read and all the research, it's great for your connective tissue, for arthritis, lupus, all that stuff. And it is, it's grass-fed collagen peptides. It's great for your skin, hair, nails. So yeah, you guys, I put, let me turn, yeah. So I put 1 scoop of this in my morning coffee, and it's recommended that you do 2 scoops a day. And then I always have a protein smoothie in the afternoon around noon, and I put a scoop in there. You cannot taste it. And I gave my mom one, and I said, if you use it, you know, we'll get some more. But I bought a 6-month supply of this stuff. So you guys, I don't know, if you need, even if you don't have arthritis, it's supposed to help with your metabolism. It's just packed with really good stuff. So I was excited to share this with you guys. Okay, so I am warming my water in the microwave, and I just use, most of the time, sometimes I use my Nespresso, but most of the time I just use this Kinko, this British coffee. It's delicious. So this is the smooth, and you can also get it in the dark. You can get it on Amazon, but the shipping costs a lot, so we always order, believe it or not, a year supply. So I usually do 2 scoops because I like it kind of strong. And, well, because I put a lot of milk, it's really a warmed latte. And a scoop of this in my coffee. Okay, so I have my coffee cup. 2 scoops of Kinko. You guys, it is the best. Oh my gosh. Do you drink this stuff, Glennie? If you don't, you should. Okay, so it's nice and warm. Then I do 1 scoop of the collagen peptide. As I said, you can also mix it into a cold liquid. It promotes youthful skin, healthy hair, stronger nails. It boosts your metabolism. So I'm going to do a full scoop. Just put it in my coffee. You can't taste it. Did I say it boosts your metabolism? Strong hair, skin, and nails, improves muscle mass, and it supports, oh, I love this, it supports gut health and digestion. It was kind of weird when you first put it in there, but it will just dissolve. So just give it a good stir. I am loving this. It's so easy. I cannot swallow a pill, so this is perfect for me. So mix it really good, and then I put a lot of cold milk. It's just like I said, it's kind of a warmed latte. Yummy. I have been on this since I got home for a week now, and from everything that I've read, the reviews say that you can tell a difference within the first month. So cheers, I'm super excited. No taste at all. So you guys need to try this, and you don't have to get this brand. I will link the website for you, and you can get it, I think you can get it where you get it delivered monthly, but I just got a 6-month supply, and there's other products that I'm gonna check out on this website, but I felt like this was really good. So I was super excited to share this with you guys. And I'll come back this afternoon when I do my smoothie and show you how I do that. Okay, so I have been raving to everybody about this. It is a tribal superfood called, it's a tribal superfood called cachava. And I've been drinking smoothies, you guys, since the 80s. Since before my daughter was born. It's just part of my normal diet. So this is a great one. It's a blend of organic superfoods, plant-based proteins, and it's delicious. So I have chocolate and vanilla. I will link it from Amazon, but last time they were out of it, and I'll also link the website. So it's cachava. So I have a NutriBullet. I'm gonna fill it, you know, about halfway full of ice first. So I'll go over here and get the ice. Okay, and it takes 2 scoops, and with water, 2 scoops, it's 240 calories. And there's really no need to add anything to it because it has so many good nutrients and vitamins. I mean, like I said, it's just packed full of over 70 superfoods. So you take 2 scoops, and I'm gonna put it in here. 2 scoops with water is 240 calories. Now sometimes I'll add to it, but really it's not necessary, okay? Sometimes I'll put some powder peanut butter in it just for the taste, which adds calories, but not much really. Okay, now this has 25 calories. So I'm gonna put 1 scoop of the collagen, and then after I drink the smoothie, I'm finished with it for the day. So that's what I've been doing. Just, there goes my phone. So just 1 scoop of the collagen. So that's all I'm gonna need for today. Sometimes I freeze bananas, keep them in a baggie, but I'm not gonna do all that. I'm gonna fill it up with water, and then I just put a little bit of milk in it. It really doesn't, you don't have to do it. You can do it with just water, but when I do, it's just skim milk anyway. Drinking Shakeology, and it's so expensive. I think this is cleaner. I think this is better. So here's my shake, and I always buy these big straws from Amazon. It's nice. Okay, so I'm gonna sit in there and watch a couple videos, drink my shake, and then I have something to show you guys. Try it. All right, guys, so we're up here in my office because, as promised, I have a Louis Vuitton unboxing reveal. I did take a peek because I just could not help myself. Now, as I told you guys this morning, I have wanted this forever. And because of the price increases and because of the scarcity of the canvas pieces with this brand, I am adding a few pieces, and probably some of them that I want, I will go pre-loved, but I'm super excited to show this to you guys. And it's nothing new. It's been around for a while, and like I said, I've really wanted it for quite a while, so I'm super excited to show you. So yeah, I have already opened this. So Autumn picked this up for me in Houston at her Louis Vuitton and sent it to me, and I'm very appreciative. Thank you, Autumn, for doing that favor for me. So it's the magnetic closure box, the receipt, And she did tell me that she put in a little surprise for me. Thank you so much. It is the California Dreams, and I have already sampled it, you guys. I'm just gonna be honest. And I was dying to try it because I've heard so many good things about it, but you know what? It's just not my favorite. It doesn't smell like I pictured it smelling, or is that the right terminology? It doesn't smell like I thought it was gonna smell. It's very, I thought it was gonna be softer. It's very soapy. I don't know how to, I don't really know how to explain scents, but I thought it was gonna be a lighter, more maybe a bit of a floral, maybe a fruity. It's very soapy. It's not my favorite, but thank you, Autumn, for sending it to me because I was just dying to try it and I couldn't get my hands on it because you guys know I live out in banjo country and I don't have access to all these wonderful things. Okay. It smells like something that you would clean furniture with. Yeah. Some kind of cleaning detergent. Okay, I have to know this, okay? I have to know, and you guys have to tell me. Those of you that have tried California Dreams, what does it smell like to you? Do you like it? Because I started to say it smells like an armpit. And then I said it was soapy. And then I said it smells like... It smells chemically. Like, okay, let's just stick with the soap thing. It smells like soap. Not my favorite, but I'm very appreciative that Autumn sent it to me. It was very sweet of her. All right, so let's get into this unboxing slash reveal. You guys, I've not had on any makeup in a week, so I'm gonna try to fix up for you guys the next week sometime. Okay, so here we are. And like I said, I have taken a peek. And it's not anything from the new collections because I'm not a fan of any of that, you guys. So let's just pull it out of this tissue paper. Here it is. And I got the Monogram Classic Louis Vuitton Kirigami set. Love it. I have wanted this forever. And then I don't know, I just kept putting it off and thinking, oh, I'll pick it up sometime, and never did. And a couple of price increases went by. 2 or 3 or 4 or 5, who's counting? But anyway, I thought, you know what? I need to pick this up because I have told you guys, when I say I'm through with Louis Vuitton, I am not a fan of any of the new stuff. That In the Swim or whatever it is collection looks like pink lemonade. Oh, no. I do not like any of that stuff. I like the Escale, and I have the Neverfull. But I am an old school Louis Vuitton girl. So I love the Louis Vuitton print. And this is a beautiful clutch. That's exactly what I wanted it for. But as you know, you open it up to this gorgeous pink. You guys, I've been obsessed with pink lately and love the pink. Pull it out to the medium size, which is just a great catch-all for your bag. Love it. Open it up to the beautiful red. Isn't that beautiful? I love that. And the itty bitty baby Kirigami. Here she is. And put cards and things like that to the beautiful burgundy. You guys, I'm so excited to have the Kirigami in this. I looked at it. Is it the Escale? I think it was, because I do like that. But this won out. I love it. So as I was saying, I am going to continue to try to pick up some basic, old school Louis Vuitton pieces in azure, ebene, and monogram. And some of it I will buy pre-loved. I have no problem there, but I do love new. But I do also buy pre-loved. So the next on my list, I'm not a Speedy girl, but somehow I feel like I would really enjoy the regular Speedy 25 in the azure. I think that would be a great little spring and summer bag. But anyway, one piece at a time. I absolutely love these because I have uses for all of this stuff. And I'm just thrilled to have them. So yeah, that's what Autumn got for me. Well, she didn't pay for it. She picked it up for me. And I just thank you so much, Autumn, for doing me yet another favor. But yeah, you guys, so happy to have these gorgeous pieces in my collection because, you know, I had looked at my collection a while back and thought, I have sold, you know, a few bags during my years of collecting. Not many at all. I'm not a seller. And most of the ones that I don't have anymore, I gave to my daughter, and I recently gave one to my daughter-in-law, and then I've sold maybe 3 or 4 bags ever. So I don't buy them to sell them, I buy them to keep them. And sometimes I just have a whim to give something away to someone in my family. But a piece like this is a forever piece. It's a timeless piece. And like I say, I'm just an old school Louis Vuitton girl. I love the old styles, and I want to collect some of it because, you know, in my last video I mentioned what is going on with the website. It's just crazy. And I do remember the last time I actually went into the boutique, I had told Keith, look around, it's mostly leather. They're trying to phase it out. I don't think they'll ever phase it out completely, but it's going to be expensive. And to be honest with you, I do have some Louis Vuitton leather pieces and I love them, but I really love Louis Vuitton canvas, the ebene, the azure. And I started to sell my Artsy a while back, actually to one of my subscribers. Hi, Karen. And but I just backed out and she was fine with it. And I'm really glad that I kept it. So yeah, you guys, so if you have any of these lovely pieces and you're thinking of selling them, think twice because I think it's going to be scarce in the future. So yeah, I think that's all I've got for you guys. Now, I do want to say before I close today that I had been promising comparison videos with my Louis Vuitton capucines and my Coco handles, and I am going to do that, I promise. I've just been trying to get caught up in the last 5 or 6 days since I've been home, and I keep saying that, but yeah, we're going to have some company this week, but next week I'm going to buckle down and I'm going to do some of those reviews and comparison videos for you. And yeah, if you have any requests, leave them in the comments section. And I always forget to say subscribe to my channel. I would love to hit 5,000 before Christmas. And so yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you have a wonderful weekend and I will see you in the next video. Peace.